For maximum tone-on-tone lift, I'm going to be using the Pure Blonde with the 40 volume enzyme cream activator, and I'm mixing in a 1:2 ratio. I'm adding some color thickener and the Trinity One Shot to add more strength and protection, but also thicken up my lightener so that I have a little bit better control, since I will be balayaging in addition to doing some highlights. I'm adding some highlights underneath, right around her hairline. I like to start on one side of the head, work towards the center, and work completely around the head so that I get the most natural blend. Now that I have that blended dimension on the outside, I am going to go in and slice so that I have a little bit more dimension. The goal for this look is to add a lot more depth up top and a lot more darkness, but we still want to have some brightness towards the ends. So I'm mixing some balayage, and I'm going to process that in between foils so that I get more lift. I continue this up the head shape, leaving the crown out. Because detail is key, I'm going to baby light around her hairline and continue this about 1 inch back. While her highlights process, I'm going to go in using 1 ounce of 5MB to half an ounce of 5V, and I'm going to low light her top and some in between of the foils. I'm going to drag down and really try to cut any warmth that she has in her midshaft. Despite how dark her natural color is, you can see how even the pure color lifts. I'm mixing 1 ounce of 8N to 1 ounce of 9N and 1 ounce of 9V with equal parts of the 7% enzyme cream activator as her toner. When I tone, I like to start in the back and then I work my way towards the front, making sure to evenly saturate all of that blonde. And now for the after.